In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Hubspot and send an automated email confirmation using the CMS Starter Hub. First, ensure you're at the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your browser and type in Hubspot, or click on the link provided if you have quick access. The homepage is your gateway, offering a range of tools and resources for your business. Next, you'll need to log in. If you already have an existing account, just click on Login, enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your Hubspot home. In case you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which will enable you to access the marketing features we'll be exploring today. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface. Here, your first objective is to click on Marketing. This section is your one-stop destination for all things related to promoting your business, including creating campaigns, managing content, and crucially, for today, creating forms. Once you're in the Marketing tab, you'll want to look for the option labeled Forms. Click on this to open a new page where you can manage and create your forms. Forms play a vital role in gathering information from your clients or website visitors, making them an integral part of your business strategy. On the Forms page, you'll see an option to create a form. Click on it and it will lead you to the form editor where you can start building your form. This editor allows you to design the form that suits your needs, whether it's for capturing leads, gathering customer feedback, or any other purpose. After you've constructed your form, it's time to ensure everything is in place by selecting Review and Update. This is a chance to double check all the details you've added, making sure each field and option is exactly what you're looking for. By taking this step, you prevent any errors that might interrupt the user experience. Once you're satisfied with your form, direct your attention to the Automation section, click on it, and here's where the magic happens. You have the opportunity to set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on the form submissions. Specifically, we want to focus on sending an automated email confirmation. This feature will automatically send a confirmation email to those who fill out your form, acknowledging their submission and perhaps providing them with further instructions or information. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful process to not only collect vital information through a form, but also enhance user engagement by automatically confirming receipt through email. Following these steps will ensure a smooth experience for both you and your audience, leveraging the power of HubSpot's CMS Starter Hub to its fullest potential.